Alright guys, so I guess I'm starting off this vlog. It's like 10:28 at night, but I'm starting off this vlog because I probably am not going to start it off tomorrow like I want to, so I'm getting out of the way now because better late than never, right? Basically, tomorrow we are going to catch the sunrise. This is my version of senior sunrise because I'm not in high school really enough to where I know people. I was at high school for 2 years and I switched because the program I'm doing right now is not available at the school that I originally started off at. So I don't know any people at the school I'm currently at because I'm just not there. I decided to take it into my own hands and do my own senior sunrise and, you know, make the most out of it. I wanted to start this one off, you know, and just, I don't know, I feel like it'd be a really fun thing to do, so we're gonna do that. Start off our senior year right. So I'm super duper excited and I cannot wait to do it. I wake up at 5 in the morning though, and it's currently 10:30, and so I should probably get to bed, but anywho, thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me. Make sure to like down below, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Shelby, welcome to my channel. So I will talk to you guys in the morning. Good night.
I'm falling, I'm all in. You could be the one to solve it. My heartbeat, you're locked in. I never feel like I could do this right. I just go through.
Good morning guys, happy Monday. Today's August 3rd, or Tuesday, no. I just woke up, but happy Tuesday, August 30th. Today would be my first day of starting school if I was actually going to be there, except I'm full-time college now, so I have some time to kill before then. But I decided I'm going to do a senior sunrise because why the heck not? Guys, so it is now 11:47. I am going to the park to meet my boyfriend. So I've just been hanging out most of the day, so I'm trying to get it all on my phone because my camera is about to die, like right now.
Watching as I let you take up all my time just to do it over again. Drag me through the dirt, degrade me.
Alright, so please excuse my room. It's a work in progress, I know. I actually am supposed to be putting some of this away, but I haven't yet. I'll get to that though, promise. So, basically, I haven't talked to you guys really much today, so I feel bad about that and kind of want to check in with you guys. It is currently 3:52 in the afternoon, and I'm feeling good. So today, this morning, I went to an amazing sunrise with my older brother, and then I got to hang out with my older brother for most of the morning. Got to see my boyfriend, went to the park. He bought me these gorgeous flowers. Gorgeous flowers. So flowers of the week, you guys. Whatever these things are, they're gorgeous. I love them so much. They smell absolutely delightful. And I still have his from last week up there. So, hey, it's a win when they stay. You know, I feel accomplished as a flower mother for a short time. I'll tell you guys what I have planned for the rest of the day. It's 4 o'clock almost, and I babysit tonight, and that's pretty much it. Until then though, I think I might just relax. I don't think I'm really gonna do anything else for the rest of the day. I'm probably gonna go through this tomorrow because I have a whole day to dedicate to it. Not sure if I'll be able to get it done in time by the time I go to babysit, but yeah, we'll see. But I got some really cute photos this morning from the sunrise, and I ended up posting that on my Instagram, which if you guys want to check out, little self-promo. It is my Shelby and Nicole on Instagram. I'll put it right here, and I will rock it with my beautiful little hat, so thank you guys so much. I kind of want to recap though, because I did get senior photos on Sunday or Saturday. So I'll have to like kind of recap you guys on that, because I got surprisingly a lot of footage, which usually I don't get a lot of footage when I go out, mostly out of respect for other people, because I don't know how other people feel about being on YouTube. Kind of be like a little moment, in time, like a little capture on film I can replay back. And also it's for future me, when I can remember like the special moments. I feel like this is a special senior moment vlog. I think it's something I want to add, put together, so I can kind of remember as like a little virtual like time capsule, you know? Like I can look back in a year from now, or 2 years, or maybe 5 years, or even 10 years possibly, and get to see this one moment in my life and get to relive it kind of, and have it captured on film, which I think is a special part and something I love most about being able to film things. And that's the power of the camera, and it is something that I absolutely adore, getting to make my own story and share it with you guys. And not only that, but like reread the story, you know, that feeling of like, oh my gosh, this is such a good book, or like this was such a good moment in my life, and I'm like, I'm happy I experienced it. And that's the joy of being able to create content. It's something I love most about it, most definitely. As to why I create content for you guys. Even though it's not always consistent, I still like to create content for you guys in hopes that it at least makes one of you happy out there. And you know, if it does, then I've done my job. Even if it's just one person. If I've made one person happy by doing this, I've succeeded in everything I've ever wanted to accomplish within content creation. So thank you guys for all your support, all your love, and just keep being you, stay strong, whatever hurdle, whatever storm you're going through, I promise it gets better. And I just hope for a second that you can maybe get away through my content or through someone else's content and just heal, you know, have time for yourself. And yeah, I love you all so much, and I want to make sure you guys are okay. So, and treat every day like a new day, because it is. So, yeah.